Hi dear Virgo, how are you guys doing? So this is a general reading till end of April, and I'll tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay. So right now your partner's energy is Three of Swords. They are grieving the loss. They are going through a very major heartache, and they are maybe missing you a lot. They are they are not in the right frame of mind. First of all, Virgo, they are right now in the healing mode. Okay, so they went through a major heartbreak. So where they went through a major a sad issue in their life, and they are going through a lot of healing and a lot of pain, and right now they are not feeling happy at all. They are very sad without you. Okay, how they see you? They see you as a Queen of Pentacles. They see you as somebody who's very well established, well put, and somebody who's very practical, and somebody who is of motherly nature. Okay, so they see you as a perfect partner, as a perfect mother, as a perfect person whom they can depend on, or whom anybody can depend on. So they see you as a queen. Okay, remember, they are very heartbroken, but they see you in a very beautiful energy, very beautiful light. They feel like you can easily be the child of you can easily be the mother of their child, or as father of their child. So the gender doesn't matter in tarot, so it is basically the energy. So they see you as a very stable and dependable person. How they feel about this relationship? Knight of Cups. They are madly in love with you, Virgo, and all they feel is love for you. All they want to offer you is love. So they basically feel lots of love for this relationship, for you in particular. They feel like you are the right person. They feel like you are the apple of their eye, and they want to offer you something very beautiful and stable. Okay, I feel like there were lots of conflicts going on between you guys in the past, and now they realize after losing no you after losing you, now they realize that you are their true love, you are their true partner. Now they want to offer you something very solid and beautiful. Okay, Virgo, what they want from this relationship? This is the Six of Wands. They want this relationship to be victorious. They want this relationship to work out. They want this relationship to present as a trophy to somebody, to the world. They want to show the world that you are their victory, you are their trophy. They want to show the world that yes, if they have you in their life, they have everything in their life. Okay, you are their queen, you are their world. You mean a lot to this person. You mean a lot to this person. They are madly in love with you, and they can easily see you as their spouse, as their wife, or as their husband. Okay, the outcome from their side is the world. So the word is like the indication of that something is over. Okay, maybe this time they want to offer you something very solid, a solid relationship offer, a commitment offer. So from their side, you are their world. From their side, the worst is over. Now they are ready to have a commitment. Now they are ready to have that communication that was long pending. Now they want to conversate with you. So this is what is happening with you guys, with your partner's life, Virgo. Okay, so I clarified the outcome. The outcome is clarified by the Temperance, Queen of Cups, and Knight of Swords. They are right now balancing their emotions, trying to balance their emotions, trying to balance their skills in every aspect of their life. And Queen of Cups, then they want to offer you something very solid. I told you they are deeply and madly in love with you. Now they want to offer you all their love, all their time, all their efforts, and they want to rush into a relationship with you. They just want to rush into a relationship with you because they feel like you are their world, you are their princess or queen, and they want to offer you a very beautiful and stable relationship. Okay, this is what is happening, Virgo. So let's see what's going on your side. So your energy right now is the Hermit. You are not taking a shit from anybody. You are in your own zone. You are working on your own spiritual growth, inner healing, shadow work. So whatever it is, you are right now walking alone on your path, and you are not ready for any kind of commitment or relationship thing right now. Maybe because you feel lost. You feel like there was something that was hurting you a lot, and that is why you have gone in this. Zone of healing, and you are gone in this zone of looking inside what works for you and what is not working for you. This is the Hermit card for you. How you see your partner? The Fool. You literally see your partner as a fool, I feel. So Virgo, you feel like this person is inexperienced and they are ready to take the risk without contemplating everything. So you feel like this person is kiddish, somewhat kiddish, and they don't know what to do and how to handle emotions and how to be little mature. You feel like your partner is kind of immature and they don't know how to handle the emotional aspect of their life, how to handle relationships in their life. So basically, you feel like you are growing from inside, and this person is still in this immature zone. That is why maybe you are feeling like walking away, or right now you are not taking any kind of action towards this person. Okay, Virgo. So how you feel about this relationship? This is the Five of Pentacles. You feel left out in this relationship. Maybe in the past this person left you and you felt like this person left you in the cold, and you were constantly missing them, you were constantly in need to be with them, but they left you in cold and they made you feel like shit in the past, and that is why now right now you are not taking a shit from them. You are not you're not allowing them back in your life. So basically what is happening is, I feel like this is a circle that is coming back to that is going back to them only. They hurt you in the past, now they are very very deeply hurt. I feel like they left you in the past, now you left them, or now you lose all the hope from their side. That is why this whole circle is happening. Okay, what you want from this relationship? Knight of Wands. To be honest, I feel like okay, let's keep this relationship physical. There's no need to be in commitment, or there's no need to be in a hurry to get married or something like that. Right now, Virgo, you are in this zone of let's take it step by step. Although you are passionate about this person, although I can see that you are manifesting maybe an ending with this person, but deep down you want this person to be in your life physically. I mean to say, you want to have lots of sex maybe with them, or physical intimacy, hugs or cuddling or whatever it is, but you want to keep it physical as of now. You don't want to take it to another level of commitment or marriage or another level of love. Okay, this is what you want from this relationship, Virgo. And the outcome from your side is the Magician. So you are manifesting a big time ending with this person, a change with this person. Or if you're not manifesting an ending with this person, you are definitely manifesting a change with this person. Okay, I feel like you feel like this person is very very immature. They are ready to take the risk, they are ready to take the leap of faith with you, although they are ready to do whatever it takes to make a happy go lucky relationship. But I feel like this person is not mature enough to handle this type of relationships, and you know it, and that is why you are not taking it very very seriously, Virgo, for the time being. And that is why you are manifesting a solid change in this relationship, or a solid ending in this relationship, because the Magician is clarified by the Tower, Wheel of Fortune and Death. These all are major arcana cards. So I can't deny you are manifesting a huge change in this relationship with this particular person, or you are manifesting a total breakup with this person, a total cut out with separation with this person. So yes, because the Tower, the Wheel of Fortune, that all are telling me that you are manifesting a breakup, a separation, and you want to turn this events in your favor, and you want this relationship to end for the good. Okay, this is your current feeling, and by the end of April I feel like you are going to manifest, and your manifestation powers are heightening, and you are getting what you want, Virgo. Okay, so the mutual energy between you guys is the Sun. I feel like you guys are happy together. Whenever you guys are together, you feel happy for each other. You feel happy with each other's company. So the mutual energy is good for both of you. Okay, I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck for the past, present, and near future energy. So the past was karmic relationship. So I feel like this relationship was karmic, and this has ended from your side. So triggers, turmoil, lessons, letting go and loving you. Okay, this was a karmic relationship for you, and I feel like you guys ended this relationship in the past. Okay, right now you are angry with this person. Right now you are not in the mood of communicating with this person. Right now I feel like you are not ready for a commitment or a marriage from this person. That is why this card came out. Not today, not dealing hurt, avoiding conversation, or still angry. But this is what you are doing, Virgo, with this person right now. This is the current energy, and the energy will in the near future will be of twin flames. maybe you will find a twin flame, or maybe this person is your twin flame. A journey of a twin flame is not easy, to be very honest, Virgo. That takes a lot from you. I feel twin flames keep on separating, keeps on meeting, keep on separating, keeps on meeting. So I feel like this person is your twin flame, and you guys will meet eventually by the end of April. So yin yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complementing each other. This is what will happen by the end of April. Okay. So Virgo, this is all about your love life till the end of April. I hope it will give you some insight about your relationship with this person and what you should do about this particular relationship. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. And don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much. Namaste.